Welcome back to learning how to use Demiks school management software system. Today, we're going to be focusing on learning how to manage any potential students, or what we refer to as leads. So first, click on the leads icon on your left-hand menu. And since there's no data available yet, you will click the plus sign on your top right-hand toolbar, which will allow you to add a new lead into the system so you can track them and manage turning them into one of your students. First, you will input the student's general information, such as name, email, and phone number. Next, you can add any notes that pertain to this profile. For example, if you are on the phone with a lead, it is helpful to write down some of the key things that the lead is looking for or has questions about, so you can understand to follow up with them later. The following options are to input the course that the potential student is interested in, as well as the source that this potential student came from. So you might remember inputting your school's lead sources when you set up your school's information with the software, while the drop-down menu for sources and courses will include these options. So just click on the drop-down menu. The tag section of the lead profile helps you to categorize your leads. For example, the level that the student's at, the time of day, they want to take classes, if they want group versus private classes, and how serious they are. So let's just say the student is serious. They are a beginner. Right. Now remember to click Save up at your toolbar, and now you will see multiple new icons have appeared now that you've created your leads profile. So here I will explain these all in just 1 second. First, I will click the back to the list, so you can see they will all appear here. To go back and communicate with any of your leads, you will click their name. Your new options are as follows. You are able to record any communication activity in the history section of your page. This is where it will appear. For example, if you called them, you can also write an important note about this phone call. So you could click here. It happened on this date. It was a phone call, and we talked about an English course. Save. Now it will say here that today there was a phone call and we talked about an English course. Next is reminders, for which you can create a notification that will appear on your dashboard. For example, if you want to remind yourself to send this potential student an email with additional information about the course, you click here. If you're looking for where this notification is, you would go to your dashboard and you will see it pop up here. So remind me to send this lead additional information about this course. You can postpone this or dismiss this notification. For now, I'm going to say postpone. Remind me on September 3rd. Postpone. Okay, now back to leads. We were under this lead, and now you can either archive or delete this profile if they're no longer interested or no longer interested currently. If you are sure that they would like to become a student, you could click Convert Lead to Student and issue them an invoice. Perfect. And this will take us to the invoice section of the software. However, this will be explained further in a different video. Thank you for watching and learning how to use Demiks school management software. See you next time.